Hi guys, I'm Poonam and welcome back to your channel All That I Wonder. So today is another video in which I'm going to share with you all the products that I have used for quite some time, and I have emptied all of them, and I'm going to share with you mini reviews of all the products. So today's video is all about empties, will I repurchase or not, and mini reviews of those empties. So without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first product that we are going to talk about is the Vitamin C Gentle Foaming Brightening Face Wash by Scent Botanica. We have used the entire bottle of this face wash. It says it's a brightening face wash and it has a lot of other claims as well. But I will share with you another Vitamin C face wash that we have been using, and when you compare both the Vitamin C face wash, we like the other one better. So it's a nice face wash, but it did not give any brightening effect after using the entire bottle as well. So I'm not going to buy this again. The next product that we are going to talk about is Wow's Brightening Vitamin C Face Wash. Earlier I shared with you the Scent Botanica Vitamin C Face Wash. So this one is also a Vitamin C face wash, and it claims that it brightens, and it has a lot of other claims as well. So this is comparatively better as compared to the Scent Botanica one. So this one we are buying again. My husband is using this face wash currently and he is liking it. It gives nice cleansing to your face, but other than that it does not give you any kind of brightening effect and all, but it has suited him. So right now he is using it and he will keep using it currently, but he might change it in future. So right now we are buying it. So the next product that we are going to talk about is the Wow's Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. So this one is a really nice shampoo. It actually helps in clearing the dandruff, and it has also helped in calming down the itchy scalp. My husband has a dandruff related problem and he also has itchy and flaky scalp. This Wow's Anti-Dandruff Shampoo has helped him a lot. So this one he is using currently and we are buying this again. So the next product that we are going to discuss is the Neutrogena's Norvain Formula Lip Moisturizer, and this one is in SPF 15. I have been using this lip balm since a really long time. It helps in healing the lips really well. It softens them really well, and the fragrance, the mild fragrance it has is also really beautiful. And sometimes my lips become really dry, but this lip balm helps my lips heal really well, and I love this lip balm and definitely I'm buying it again. So the next product that we have emptied is the Nivea Shower Gel. This one is the Frangipani and Oil. I don't know how do you pronounce it. It does not dry out your skin at all, and the fragrance of this one is beautiful. We have used other variants also from this one that I will share in the next empties video, but this one smells really nice. It lathers also really well, so we are definitely buying this one in future. The next product that we have used completely is the Himalayas Cocoa Butter Intensive Body Lotion. Now this body lotion claims that it deeply moisturizes your skin and it repairs your dry skin, and it's a rich formula, and this body lotion does what it claims, and it's a cocoa butter intensive formula, so it smells wonderful. It smells beautiful of coffee, and also it deeply moisturizes your skin, and the formula is really rich. This one is great to use in winters. Although the MRP is 280 rupees, but on Amazon it is available on a lot of discount. I think it is available up to rupees 200, so it's quite affordable also. So definitely we are buying this in future. The next product that we have emptied using is the Vaseline's Protect and Care Antibacterial Hand Cream. Now this hand cream retails for 160 rupees and it has aloe vera extract in it. I mean, it has aloe vera as an ingredient in it. The smell of the hand cream is really weird. It smells like a ripe banana to me. Frankly speaking, I don't like the smell at all, and the consistency is also quite thin only. So if you have really dry hands, this cream will do nothing for you, and we actually do not like it at all, so we are not buying this cream in future. The next product is Lotus Herbals Safe Sun Sunblock. I have been using this for a really long time. This one is PA+++ UVA UVB and it's SPF 40. It gives sun protection and it's also mattifying. This one is a tinted sunscreen. I really like because it gives a little bit of tint to your face as well, and it also protects against the sun really well. I have emptied lots and lots of bottles of this sunscreen. I'm definitely buying this again, but this time I'm going to try and look for other sunscreens as well, and if I buy, then definitely I will share it with you all in my next empties video. Now the next product that we have finished using is the Yardley's English Rose Moisturizing Body Lotion, and we have also used another variety in this, which is the lavender. In fact, the lavender one, we used 2 bottles of this. Actually the price mentioned on this one is 299 rupees. However, it's available on a really great discount on Amazon. I think it's available for 100 or 150 rupees only. So we thought we should give it a try because it's really reasonable. The fragrance of all these is nice. The lavender one smells really nice, but it is a thin formula. It will work for you only if you are using it in summers. It's just a normal skin, then it will give you a little bit of moisture. Otherwise it's not deeply moisturizing or anything like that. We didn't really like it much, so we are not buying it in future. The next product is the Lactocalamine. I have been using this also for a really long time. This one is the Oil Balance Kaolin Clay Therapy. It says it absorbs excess oil, and this one is for combination to normal skin. My skin is combination to normal skin type, and it suits me really well. It really absorbs the excess oil, and it gives a really fresh and mattifying look to your face. And the fragrance of this is beautiful. I really love the fragrance. It's a very liquidy formula, and it absorbs also into your skin really fast. So been using it for really long time. Definitely buying it in future. And the next product that we have emptied using is the Vitamin C Face Cream by Wow. So my husband is using this cream currently, and this one tub I think he has finished couple of tubs already. It says it has vitamin C and hyaluronic acid, and it's hydrating, brightening and anti-aging. The packaging is a really different one of this one. That's why we really liked it. You just have to push it like this, and the cream comes over here. So that's a really good point. And it's a hydrating cream, but it did not give any kind of brightening effect or anything different after using for a really long time as well. So right now he is using it, but definitely is looking forward to some other face cream. So he will change in future. So he has 1 bottle right now, but I don't think we are buying it again. The next product that I have emptied using is the Livon's Serum. This one is their Vitamin E Serum, and it says it controls frizz, ease out your tangles and reduces breakage. Definitely it does all of this what it claims. I have seen that it has controlled the frizz of my hair, and my hair tangles really very less since I've been using it. I had first ordered the smaller bottle so that I can use and see if it suits me, and it has suited me really well. I'm definitely buying a bigger version of this. Again, the next product is from Vitamin C range of Wow. My husband has finished using this bottle as well. It's a nice serum, it's hydrating, but it really does not do anything other than that. So we are not buying this again. The next product that we have finished using is the Lux Soft Touch for Soft Fragrance Skin Moisturizing Body Wash. As you can see, we have already finished 2 bottles of this. A lot more bottles we have finished, but I did not keep all of them. This one is a really nice body wash. It smells really well, lathers really well, and it is reasonable also, and it does not dry out your skin at all. So definitely give this a try. I really love this, and we are definitely buying it again. Next product is from Neutrogena. This one is their Deep Clean Blackhead Illuminating Daily Scrub. My husband was using this scrub actually, and he finished this entire bottle, but now he's trying out some other scrubs as well. So it's a nice scrub. It also cleanses your skin nicely, but right now we are not looking forward to buy this one. I had already shared in my last empties that I am using the Wow's Activated Charcoal Face Wash. This one's a nice face wash that it has suited me currently, so I'm using it It also cleanses my face really well, and it has those small charcoal beads in it. I don't know how much of a difference they make, but right now this one is working for my skin, so I'm using it, and I will buy it again also. But almost all the time I'm looking for some products here and there, and if I find something better than this, then I might end up using something else, but right now I'm buying it again. Now the last product that I finished using is the Olay Regenerist Micro Sculpting Serum and Olay Regenerist Revitalizing Night Cream. This one is the deo that I was using as my nighttime skincare routine, but actually what happened is I bought this quite some time back, I think around 1.5 years back, and I used it really on and off. I did not use it constantly. I actually really don't know how much it has worked on my skin, because these two products are quite expensive. I think they retail for 1500 each roughly, I'm not sure. I think they did give a nice brightening effect to my skin, smoothing effect also. I really don't have much to talk about this because I actually did not use it continuously to really share a review, but I'm looking for some other nice skincare products for my nighttime skincare routine, so I may or may not buy this again, I'm not really sure. The last product is the Maybelline New York's Colossal Kajal Super Black. They have the original Colossal Kajal and this one is the Super Black variant from Maybelline. This one I really liked it. I have finished using lots and lots, I think 2 to 3 pencils of this kajal. It's a really nice kajal. You should definitely give it a try. It's deep black, it does not smudge also. If you have extremely oily lids, then definitely the kajal will smudge, because I do have oily lids and I have tried varieties of kajal, and so many kajals smudge on my eyelids no matter what. But of all them, this one is a really nice one. I have used a lot of other kajals as well. I will share them with you in my next video, so make sure to check out the next video for that. So that's it. These were all the product empties and mini reviews of the products, and I wanted to share them with you all and show you if I'm going to use them again, buy them again or not, and my mini reviews of all the products. It's a really difficult time for all of us, so if you're facing something difficult, make sure that we are all in this together, and this time will also pass. Just hold on for some more time. Try to keep yourself busy in something or the other. Take care of yourself and your family, and leave your home only if it's necessary. That's it for today's video from my side. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you all take care, love yourself and be happy. Bye.